American 2098, contact departure.
2098, good day. Tower American 2661, did we just continue up to on the hotel?
2661, yeah, you're going to follow the Embraer 145 there. He's your sequence.
Yes, sir, American 2661.
For your 4790 reports, 2 large blocks of geese at 1,000, another one at 1,500. Wind 22015, gust 20, runway 27 left, clear to land.
After the caution, clear to land.
Brickyard 4857, contact departure 2435.
2435, just verifying 230 on the heading, right? 4857.
230.
30, thank you, Brickyard 4857.
Tower, good morning, American 1631, ILS 271.
American 1631, wind 22012, gust 20, runway 27 left, clear to land.
Land 7 left, American 1631.
American 2498, contact departure.
Departure, American 2498.
Blue Street 5471, right on Kilo, right Echo, short of hotel.
Right, Kilo, right, Echo, short of hotel, Blue Street 5471.
Piedmont 6055, heading 230, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
230, 27 right, clear for takeoff, Piedmont 6055.
American 2661, runway 27 right, line of point.
27 right, line of the weight, American 2661.
American 2661, heading 265, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
265 on the heading, 27 right, clear for takeoff, American 2661.
Piedmont 6055, contact departure, heading 230.
230 to departure, 6055.
Yeah, we definitely
Piedmont
touched down.
6043, left at high speed, taxi via spot, to spot 14, contact ramp, good day.
Roger, Echo 3, spot 14, ramp, Piedmont 6043.